Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Zoho Project to facilitate employee performance reviews, your full 2025 guide. First up, you'll want to navigate to the Performance Review module in Zoho Project. Now, this is the hub where managers can create and assign review tasks to employees. The reason we do this is to ensure a streamlined process that's easy to manage and track. Next, you'll need to set up your review tasks. Click on the Add Task button and fill in the necessary details, such as task name, description, assignee, and due date. This helps us because it gives clear expectations to employees about what they're being evaluated on. Once the tasks are set, it's time to add the review criteria. This is done by clicking on the Criteria tab and adding your desired metrics. The reason we do this is to have a uniform standard that's applied to all employees, making the review process fair and transparent. Now that we've done that, you can monitor the progress of these tasks. Zoho Project offers dashboard features that allow managers to track task completion, time spent, and employee performance in real time. Let me explain why this matters. It provides real-time insights into how your employees are performing, which aids in accurate evaluations. Next up, once the review period ends, it's time to compile the results. Zoho Project allows you to generate comprehensive reports with a single click. This is done by going to the Reports tab and selecting Generate Report. This helps us because it consolidates all the review data in an easy-to-understand format, facilitating the review discussion. Lastly, share these reviews with your employees. Go to the Communications tab, select Send Email, and share the performance review report. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. It creates a transparent environment where employees understand their performance, strengths, and areas for improvement. And there you have it, a straightforward method of utilizing Zoho Project for employee performance reviews. With this tool, you're not only streamlining your review process, but also creating a transparent and fair working environment. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep enhancing your management skills.